Hey guys, this is the Night Driver, and I'm here with 3 tips and tricks on how to get 5 stars. Let's do it. One, music. It's best to just play like the local channels or whatever. Don't play like your personal stuff because they may not like that. You can always ask your passenger if they would like to listen to something in particular, but just play like local channels because they'll rate you and it's their old music or whatever. So just to avoid them giving you a bad rating based off of music or whatever, just play the local stations, just to avoid the situation of getting a bad rating. Just play the local stations, something that's easy, no like rap kind of hip-hop type stuff or anything like that. It can have rap in it, but like the local station that has like a little bit of everything, so that's the best choice. 2, don't eat or drink anything while you're driving. I mean, if you like choking to death or whatever, yeah, just ask the passenger, hey, I need to take a drink of water, kind of like something in my throat or whatever. But yeah, they'll rate you on that too, man. Oh, he's taking pills, or they'll say, oh, he was doing something to inhibit his driving or whatever, and they can flag you for that stuff, man, and shut your app down for like 24 hours until they investigate or whatever. So don't eat or drink anything, eat anything that look like pills or anything like that, drink anything that look like alcohol or whatever. Just wait until they like get out of the car. That's like the best thing I can suggest. Wait till they get out of the car, then you can eat, drink, or whatever. 3rd tip, always keep, the essentials like a car charger, get like napkins. I'll do another, video on that, like things you should have in your vehicle, but always have your charger. Make sure it has like at least 2 ports, if not more, an aux cord or whatever. Do people really still use those things? I guess they do, but yeah, have you a good one, because I have like a cheap one in my car and it doesn't like transfer the music well. So also get you a nice, not super expensive, but something that's a good one. That way the sound will come across very well and all that stuff. So those are my 3 tips. Feel free to like if you like this video, comment, give me some suggestions, comments, or whatever, or things you're curious about when you was first driving. Cause I've been driving for about 7 months now, so it's been going pretty good so far. So, all right, guys, talk to you later. Peace.